up, guys? Luke here from Cruise Punk, and it's time for another back road cruise. Such a nice day out here. It's just freaking awesome. You know, just vibing in the car, vibing with the awesome freaking weather. Today's energy drink of the video is an adrenaline. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm always sipping on some sort of energy drink in like almost all my videos. Now the question is, do I know where I'm going? Like normal, no. Not sure. What the hell, a snake? Damn. I guess it's snake weather again. Watch out for snakes on the road, guys. Sometimes that rev limiter be coming in hot though. Thanks for watching up to this point, guys. I don't imagine this is going to be a very long video. It's going to be a pretty short video, but I'm trying to keep the back road cruise series going here on YouTube. You know, there's actually quite a bit amount of traffic out, not right here obviously, but in general, you know, with everything happening right now, coronavirus and crap. There's a lot more cars on the road than you'd expect, especially in the middle of nowhere like this. There are also a lot of cops on the road too, so really couldn't have done anything crazy today. But yeah, hopefully we'll get a few more pulls here, and then that'll be it for the video. So appreciate it, guys. This channel is really just getting started here. There's a lot of stuff coming in the future, so please subscribe if you like the content, and yeah, stay tuned. That was a freaking bumpy road. It was like hopping on the bumps, man. Also, for those of you guys wondering, I don't actually drive my car like this every day. Normally I take it pretty easy on this little RSX. It's a DC5, you know, they're hard to find a clean one, so I try to baby this car, but it is fun to freaking crack VTEC every now and then. Okay guys, well, yeah, I guess that just about finishes up today's video. Like I said, I'm sorry it's not that long of a video, but I just wanted to get some pulls in this very nice day. It's like over 70 degrees out here. Finally, the weather's freaking getting nice again. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching today's video. Like I said, stay tuned. We got some big stuff going on in the future here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cruise Punk out.
Oh, y'all surprised cause I ain't got a LA chick on my side, the passenger, the LA whip. It's all good, I got love for my LA chicks, but I'm